One time, Norway was considered a provincial country and to some extent envied other countries that could afford a variety of culinary experiments. Norwegian cuisine is quite distinctive and unique, as it is formed in the conditions of the country's inaccessibility and harsh climatic conditions. Let's see what is interesting in Norway cuisine, what dishes are worth to try and take home from the trip. Fårikål, which literally means mutton in cabbage, is one of the most famous dishes in Norwegian cuisine. Consisting of pieces of mutton with bone, cabbage, and black pepper, it is cooked in casserole for several hours. According to historical tradition, this dish of Norwegian Vikings usually is cooked in September, when the season of young mutton begins. The last Thursday of September in Norway is considered the national day of fårikål. This dish has rich taste, especially on the second day after cooking. Aquavit is a national Scandinavian alcoholic drink which contains 37–50% alcohol by volume. It is also called water of life, or live water, for its undeniable healing qualities. It is distilled from either grain or potatoes and flavored with herbs and spices, and this is how Norwegian moonshine is made at home. Herbs and spices specially selected for this set allow you to recreate a classic aquavit with a characteristic fresh aroma and spicy taste in your home environment. Before drinking, it is recommended to freeze to 17-18 degrees Celsius. The picturesque fish market in Bergen is one of Norway's most visited outdoor markets. The fish market sells seafood, fruit, and vegetables. The fish market has a charming location in the heart of the city between the fjords and Bergen's 7 mountains. The fish market in Bergen has since the 1200s been a meeting place for merchants and fishermen. Norwegian cuisine is unique and original, undoubtedly deserving close culinary attention, as it is based on healthy and high-quality products.
www.fooddrinkmagazine.com and the YouTube channel are working day and night to provide you with all about your food and drink curiosities from around the world. We would like your help to further expand our food and beverage portfolio. Wherever you are in the world, send your food and beverage experiences to admin@fooddrinkmagazine.com in a video or article format. Let the introduce your country, region, or business, your food and drink traditions to all over the world. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Please visit our website at www.fooddrinkmagazine.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy our videos.